Good morning, students of class 6. Today I am going to teach you all subject general knowledge, and the topic is recently most visited cities. First I will give you all the introduction of what is tourism. It is an effectivity, it is an industries and important growth for a country. It's economic and also for its special progress and monitoring. Tourism no doubt brings with it tremendous economic value for a country. It touches and impacts several industries directly and many more indirectly through tourism spread. Tourism is vital for the success of many economics around the world. There are several benefits of tourism on host destination. Tourism boosts the revenue of the economy, creates thousands of jobs, develops the infrastructure of a country, and plants a sense of culture exchange between foreigners and citizens. So, this is the meaning of tourism. Now we will go to the chapter. Most visited cities by travelers around the world. Now, many of you have gone to this international destination on your holidays. Many of you love to visit on your holidays, go for a holidays to the international trips. It is a home of many heritage sites declared by UNESCO like Sagada, Familia Castle, Miller Park, Güell and Gasavunes. It is in Spain, Barcelona. Number 2. It is mainly known for its shopping malls, celebrity chef restaurant and exceptional attraction like Marina Bay Sands. It is in Singapore City. Number 3. It is the capital and the largest city of Ireland. It is located on the eastern coast of the mouth of River Liffey. It is in Ireland, Dublin. Number 4. This is situated across a group of 118 small islands that are separated by canals and linked by bridges. It is in Italy, Vienna. So for today children, we are doing this portion, and the next class we will continue with the chapter.